Okay, so here we have it. We've got the lovely Mason macro. So yeah, let's open it up and see what we have. Let's start with the wheel here. How do we do this? There we go. That's one wheel. And then we've just got the bar and the frame and the other wheel. We'll have more space here, so let's go here. All right. Well, at least we'll have lots of bubble wrap. So I got these Vittoria Mescals, and it looks like these are maybe the slightly sturdier trail ones, which is great. Oh, the smell of rubber. It smells so good. Now that we've got the wheel, let's get onto the bike. That's me. We should be able to just lift it out in one go now. Oh my god, there we go. How exciting is this? Gonna put it here. I think what I'll start doing is putting the wheel on the front fork. Obviously not the best way to keep a bike up, but I thought I'd just point out. So we have this lovely little mudguardy thing. Right, I've switched to ultra wide mode. Again, I don't recommend you store your bike like this. Yeah, ideally just make sure that you're not gonna snip the cable wires. That'd not be great. So yeah, just sticking to the zip ties. And then now it should be able to stick these back on. Oh, oopsie daisies. I think I maybe put it the wrong way around. Yeah, I put it the wrong way around. I put the handlebars the wrong way around, so I'm gonna have to undo this and redo it. I'm a genius. Right, so that was the wrong way around. The way we wanted it was like this. Like that, much better. Right, I'm just gonna do this and I'll show you later. Right, so I don't know if you can see that, but it's the right orientation. So there's that. We're good on that front. Now we can chuck the wheel on, and there we go. There it is. Beautiful. Those XT brakes look so good. This is quite exciting. I feel like an idiot. There we go. This is the quickest way, isn't it? Ready? Whoa! Look at that thing of beauty. Right, let's do the saddle. Beautiful. That looks very comfortable. So we've got that there. Yeah, we'll get that and we'll sort this out later. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right, now that I've got the saddle on, I can probably just flip it and that might be a bit easier. There we go, flippity flipped. Now we can more easily put the front wheel in. There we go, so you can get rid of that. It's got this nice through axle. Do we just pull? Okay, we just pull. Oh, that was nice and easy. So just unclip that, and then this should be just as easy as slotting it in. Okay, well, I don't know if you can see that, but that's actually really cool. Nice, that's so easy. That's brilliant. Wow, that's fantastic. Let's give it a little spin. Yeah, beautiful. All right, well, let's get the rest of the stuff off and reveal the bike in its full splendor, shall we? And now we can just gradually take all the bits off. That's already looking pretty good, isn't it? This is going to be useful. Yeah. In the past, I've just used bits of cardboard, but it's going to be quite nice to actually have a dedicated brake clip, I guess. So I'll keep that. Hard to show, but there we go. Oh, those seat stays look fantastic. Right. This is so exciting. We can just snip that. There we go. Get rid of that. There we go. That down here. There we go. Oh, it's starting to look like something. Starting to look good. I mean, it was already looking good, but can't wait for this down tube. Those are going to be really exciting to see. Don't want to chip the paint. It's not going to be a big problem really, but I mean, here you can see it's already been. Looks like it's been a tiny bit chipped, which is a bit annoying. But I mean, realistically, I'm going to be battering this all over, so it's not a big problem, is it? Yeah, it's really starting to look like something. And then this, look at that. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, that's looking great. That's looking great. Right, I'm gonna step back. Let me put everything in the bin so there's no disturbance of the view. And are we ready for the reveal? Right. And there it is. Tell me that doesn't look great. That's just double thumbs up for me. That's looking brilliant. Right, now that we have it in all its glory, let's look at a couple of things that I think are really cool. So this here is the shutter load-bearing mudguard, which is quite cool. Hopefully I can just sort of stick a sleeping bag or something on there. All that good stuff. And then, the other thing, which is very nice, which I don't know whether I was going to get or not, is we've got 180 rotor at the front, which is good, because I'm a big guy, and when I have bike packing stuff on this, it will be quite heavy. So that extra bit of metal to make sure the rotors don't heat up too quickly will be great. What else? I was pleasantly surprised by the saddle. This feels just so premium. Everything. It's the first time I'm using the Shimano XT brake levers, and they just feel so good, so good. That feels great. All I need to do now is stick some pedals on it and go for a test ride, I think. I mean, that's just looking fantastic. I've already said it, but it's a double thumbs up for me, I think. So there we go.